Meet Motu and Patlu, they are best friends. They live in a lovely town and they love to have fun. Motu loves to eat, and his favorite food is samosas. Patlu, on the other hand, is smart and clever. He always has a plan. Motu and Patlu are always getting into funny situations. They use their smarts and teamwork, and of course their love for food always helps. Motu loves to eat. He could eat all day long. One day, John the Don made an amazing dish. It was mutton curry. Motu couldn't get enough of it. From that day on, mutton became Motu's favorite. He loves the juicy meat, and the yummy spices make it a flavor explosion. Let's make Motu Patlu mutton curry. You'll need some simple ingredients. First, get some tender mutton pieces. Ask a grown-up to help you cut them. Then, gather onions, tomatoes, and garlic. Don't forget the spices. Turmeric, cumin, and coriander will make it taste amazing. First, heat some oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and cook until golden. Now, add the spices and cook for a minute. Add the mutton pieces and brown them on all sides. Then add chopped tomatoes and cook until soft. Pour in some water and let it simmer. After some time, the mutton will be tender and flavorful. Cooking with grown-ups is so much fun. Always ask for help when using knives. Make funny faces with the vegetables. Use your hands to mix the spices. Remember, cooking is like an adventure. You can enjoy the mutton curry with rice, or try it with some yummy naan bread. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. They'll love your delicious Motu Patlu mutton curry.